Video, we want to find the radius of convergence of the sum from m equals 0 to infinity, the quantity m+1 times m times x to the mth power. In order to do this, we want to apply the ratio test. So the general term here of the series is a sub m times x to the mth power, which for us is m+1 times m times x to the mth. So the coefficient is this part right here, and that's multiplying x to the mth power. So let's apply the ratio test. We're looking at the m plus first term over the mth term. So that's, just substitute m+1 in for m here to get m+2 times m+1 times x to the m+1 power. And then we're going to divide that by whatever this is with the original. And we're going to take the limit as m approaches infinity and the absolute value of this. So the nice thing is x to the m+1 times x to the mth simplifies to just x. We have m+2 times m+1 over m+1 times m. The m+1s are going to cancel. So we have the absolute value of m+2 over m times x. And this, I just divided the m to get like this. So I did m over m plus 2 over m. That gave me 1 plus 2 over m. And then this represents a constant because it doesn't depend on... I'm sorry, the x is a constant because it doesn't depend on m. So we could just factor out the x as absolute value of x, and then just take the limit as m approaches infinity of 1 plus 2 over m. This part right here is just 1. So we have 1 times absolute value of x is absolute value of x. And because we're applying the ratio test, we want the limit to be less than 1. So the limit being the absolute value of x is less than 1. So that means the radius of convergence is this number right here, which is 1.